If you're strong in your home, in your region, then you can have that greater impact.
Trwy fy ngwaith ymchwil a fy swyddi cyhoeddus, rwy'n cynghori Llywodraeth Cymru ar ffyrdd i gryfhau democratiaeth.
I came up with Veterans Legal Link, a project that gives free legal advice to veterans and their families.
Rydym yn sbardino arloesedd, buddsoddiad a thwf ar draws ein rhanbarth, gan gysylltu ymchwil a chyfleoedd lleol i adeiladu economi, fwy gwyrdd a chanoliadwy.
Biology can do a lot of things. Very importantly, on how we're going to ensure that there's a food security and energy security.
Ac i gefnogi ein myfyrwyr cyfrwng Cymraeg, mae'r tîm yn cyfieithu tua 1,5 miliwn i 2 filiwn o eiriau y flwyddyn.
Being strong in Wales, educating Welsh students, strengthening the Welsh economy, building on Welsh culture and expanding that allows us then to be strong and proud in the wider world.